Hi there. In part 1 of pivot table, I have guided you on how to create pivot table from a data table, which is a very short data table. I've shown you methods to develop a simple pivot table, which is like this, where you can drag and drop your choices of data located from the top field to the bottom field, where you can select to be location or filter, can be column, can be row, or if you want to know the total value, a sum of sales, okay, and many more things. So in part 2, I'm going to show you further explanation on pivot table. So welcome to part 2. So to start off part 2, here are a few things that I want to share. So let's start with the month. If I want to show a total value for the month January till December, I must pick the month or the year, drop it under the row field, okay, then followed by total sales that I have done. So in this value field, when you drag number of sales have done on that particular month, you can have understanding of every month what are the total sales that is done. So you drag from the month, drag from the number of sales to the value. Here there is a setting called value field setting. So in value field setting, there is dedicated value by data from selected field. You want to know the sum of the sales, or the count of the sales, or if you want to know average of the sale. So we can select some information which is already preset in this Excel. So for this exercise, I'm going to show you sum of the sale. Okay, and moving on part 2 today, you will able to also know how to create pivot chart. So go to pivot table tool, click on analyze, click on pivot chart. When you click on pivot chart, Excel will recommend a clustered column, and which looks like this. Or if you do not want clustered column, you can select pie, which look like this, a pie chart. So for clustered column, when you click clustered column, this chart will appear. Here you can define the total value by month, January until December. But if you change the value on the field, say you remove total sales and insert planned sales, you will get completely a sum of planned sale, like a forecast. This is more of forecast. You will get the forecast of January up to December. But if you want to compare side by side, okay, you can have like this. So you will have planned sale for January is 650, but completed 143. So by knowing, you can see this chart gives you a difference between a planned sale and a sales that complete for the month, whether you have exceed or your sale have declined. Okay, so this is how do you insert a chart into your pivot table. Thank you.